Alright, so Ford is at $9.83 with market cap of 38.41 billion. So if you've been paying attention to Ford and my previous videos, I called that the next step that I believe they're going to hit is $10. And on Thursday, they hit 10.18. So that is awesome. I think eventually we are going to hit that plateau of 10, and the next stage in my book, which will take a while, believe me, it will take a while, but they will hit $14, I believe. And today we got some good news. Well, a few days ago we got some good news. Ford released its fourth quarter China sales on January 13th. Quarterly sales rose on a year-over-year basis thanks to a new product launch and localization strategy success. In addition, strong sales at commercial vehicles and luxury segments helped results. So if you've seen my previous videos, I did a video on Ford has done terrible in China. There is a lot of competition. It's an outside brand. It's just they have just not they haven't done well. But now we're starting to see some traction. So Ford sold a total of 190,000 vehicles in China in the fourth quarter, which reflected a gain of 30.3% from a year earlier. The quarter also saw 25.4% sales growth over the third quarter. And this is great because are they changed their outlook, and I kind of believe this is due to the new CEO because he is a commercial type vehicle. He knows that's a strong segment that isn't really pushed by automakers. I've done previous videos on that, and it's starting to pick up over there. And Lincoln, which is owned by Ford, and I've said this before, I believe, but if you've paid attention in China, you will know that the Chinese love the Lincoln brand. In the United States, it's barely anyone buys a Lincoln. It's it's just not popular anymore. Back in the day it was, but for some reason in China it is like a great brand that they love. And Lincoln luxury vehicles witnessed a quarterly sales increase of 74.9% on a year-over-year basis to more than 22,600 units, driven by strong performance of Lincoln Corsair and Aviator, making up 76% of the segment's fourth quarter sales. And this is just great news. So, with Biden coming in as a new president, Democrats typically are more friendlier with China, and China, we will probably roll back a lot of the items that Trump put in place. And I'm not getting political. These are just a lot of times you just have to look at what's going to happen, and China is probably going to start booming again, just like it did under Obama. China was just they had massive growth year over year, and I think with Biden, China's gonna start kicking ass again. And this is great for Ford because we are starting to see an increase. And with everything else in the United States, what they're launching here, this is going to help us hit the $14 mark. So just stay on top of this, have some fun, do your own research, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.